It's called Incense, and it has completely changed my nightly routine.
What I've experienced really blew me away.
This aromatherapy helps so much with anxiety. Plus, they smell absolutely phenomenal.
It's a natural way to relieve your stress, anxiety, and other ailments you may have.
Basically, before you go to bed, you just light up an incense cone and then place it on a holder. After 10 minutes, I could literally feel the stress leave my body.
Which was the best feeling ever. Really helps people relax their body and their mind.
I can honestly say it completely changed my life.
These incense are made with 100% plant-based essential oils.
And they're giving away 100 free essential oil cones if you order one today. So click below.